What's going on, everybody? Back with another one. Welcome to the channel. New subscribers, as I always get to you guys before I always start any video. Thank y'all for subscribing. Take a look around at some videos. If you got any questions, comment, or you can write me on Messenger. I'll try my best to answer it. I don't know everything, but I try my best. Diving right into the video. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing video. I bought a new visor, as I stated that in the last video. 10-inch visor that I bought from MiamiStar. I got it right here, and we're gonna do an unboxing video on. Before we get into that, I just want to mention that some stuff about the company, the do's and the don'ts. I guess I can say that shipping wise. I talked to two people. The first person I spoke with, I was told that they didn't ship residential. You know, it had to be to your nearest FedEx freight center or a commercial address. I had some stuff to go on. For some reason, it kept kicking my payment out. It kept kicking it back. I mean, the money was there. It just kept kicking it back out. Well, we got that situated, and I talked to a different person. So this person that I talked to the second time told me that they do ship residential. The thing is, it just costs a lot. To get a ship from Miami to my house residential was like $500 extra on top of what I paid. We're not doing that. No. So I just got a ship to the nearest FedEx center, nearest FedEx freight center, which is about 40-50 miles from where I live at. It ain't nothing. I were to load this morning in Nashville, and on my way back down, I just stopped by the FedEx in Bessemer and picked it up and come on down, because I have to pass through to get to where I live. So only made sense to just stop. But the process of getting it was real easy, nice and smooth. I don't know about any other FedEx facility, but I do know that FedEx facility was pretty nice and smooth. So I don't know, maybe it may be nice and smooth for wherever you guys, you know. Just to get a ship residential, man, it was just outrageous on the price, bro. Let's dive right into the unboxing part. I got a little plastic knife. I can't find my razor. I don't know what happened to it, but the knife do what it do, man. It do what it do. Oh, so on this end you have these are the little connections that I also got with it. It came free. I'm lying, it didn't come free. It would have came free if I bought the lights to go in it, but the lights were just too much. I bought lights off of Amazon for a lot cheaper. Clear amber lights with the chrome bezel. It was a lot cheaper. Those were like $1.99 each. Not too bad. Got some cardboard. And some mounting hardware, nuts and bolts. Got some brackets. And the visor itself. Oh yeah, that thing drops pretty far. It's a two-piece. me see if I can find my tape measure. That way I can measure it. I can't find my tape measure. I'm gonna get it prepped up for painting today. Y'all know I'm a painted white. You know. I also got these rubber pads in that I'm gonna use as my spacers. 4 in the pack. So I'll be putting those on probably tomorrow. I should be done painting the visor today, and I'll wait on lights to go in, and I think I'm gonna get those Saturday. It don't look as bad as the first one that I got, the one that I got on now. It wasn't bad putting it together. It just had like a lot more detailed things that had to be screwed together on it. Just pretty much complete everything on that. Unboxing. I was making sure there wasn't nothing else in it, and it wasn't. But these are the screws and stuff, tube mount. That's all I have for this video. Just a little short unboxing, just showing what came in it. It didn't come with any instructions, but I'm gonna try to look, see if I can find some online to see what mounts, on it. Honestly, it looks pretty simple though. But that's all I got on this one, man. So if you got any questions, leave in the comments below. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, also. Any new subscribers that come along, like I said, check the channel out. It's a lot of different videos, about a lot of different stuff. That being said, thank you guys, and you guys be safe out there.